I have the bed of a Dodge Ram. I have the bed of a Dodge Ram here. This one, I'm not sure what happened to it, but it's smashed down here. You can see here, it's folded all the way up inside there, as well as damage on this front side. So this one's going to be getting a new bedside, which I have right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bedside cut off. Then I will start fitting up the new one. So I have the outer panel cut off. Now I have this new front extension piece. You can see here, this is all knotted up and smashed right here. It's supposed to be perfectly flat. And it has a big knot in it. I guess just from that getting caught and twisted this piece all up. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece off as well. So I have this one all fit together. My gaps at the tailgate are nice and even and flush. That looks good. Then I wanted, rather than sit the bed back on the truck, to make sure this is sitting properly, I did a little trick that I do sometimes. I take the tram bar and I go to a hole that's right here to right there. There's a little groove in the bedside right there. And then I'm gonna flip it. And do the same thing this way. And it's exactly the same. I also did it a few other ways. I already kind of checked this, but I went to this corner here. Then I flipped it to check the top corner, and those are both the same. And I also did the same thing down to the corner, the bottom of the edge. So that tells me it's symmetrical. It's the same side to side. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this tailgate back off, and I'm going to get this bedside welded on, get this one finished up.